In this video, I'll be showcasing how to create users in ServiceNow. So basically, I'm assuming you are logged in as admin. So on the upper right, so you will see I am System Administrator. In the previous topic, I have showcased how to create a PDI. So upon from this video, you will learn how to log in into a ServiceNow instance. Now let's move forward to ServiceNow administration. I mean user administration. So you go to the system applications or applications navigator, right? And you navigate user administration, right? And you go to users, and here you will be able to create a user. So let us wait a little bit as the instance basically loads. Now, these are all the users which has been created. As you can see, there's a user ID, name, email, and so on, right? So as you go to the upper right and create new, then you will be able to create a record on the sys underscore user table, right? So on this user ID, so let us say Andrew dot Bill, right? So and let's say Andrew, then Bill, right? And title, let's say manager. So as you can see, right, you will find out what's mandatory or not, but it's quite straightforward, right? So Bill at example.com, and you do a right click and save it, right? And now you manage to create a user, right? But it doesn't end there. For this person to be able to log in, you need to like create a password, right? So now as you create the password, no, sorry, password reset. So I made a mistake there. So as we go to upper right, set a password for that user to be able to create a password, right? So let's generate a password. And as we generate, right, so you get to see the password. So you copy that in the safe place, right? As you copy that in the safe place, right? So what's going to happen is, so let's do that again. So you copy that in the safe place. You could press copy, right, and save it, right? And copy and paste it somewhere, probably in a notepad, and save it now. Once you save it, right? So this user Andrew.bill will have a user ID, right, and a password. So it's really up to you if you would like to have a reset on the password. But at this instance, I'll leave it up to you how you want to configure it. So the goal here is to show you how to create a user in ServiceNow. So this is the end of this video. I hope I managed to show you and help you how to create a user in ServiceNow.